Dropping names of persons in FIR without notice to petitioner victim is illegal. In the case KP Ramaswamy and others versus R. Dharmalingam and others, the Supreme Court of India upheld the order of the High Court of Madras, wherein the High Court of Madras observed that not including names in the first information report without notifying the petitioner, who is a victim in this case, is illegal. The appeal was against the order of the Madras High Court, and the High Court of Madras noted that the names were dropped in the FIR without informing the victim, who is the petitioner, is not legal, while the protest petition was also dismissed, stating the reason for the delay was not maintainable. The criminal revision petition was filed in the Madras High Court against the judgment of the judicial magistrate, whereby the judicial magistrate had dismissed the petition on the basis that it got delayed and did not include the names of the other accused in the FIR. The case was that the brother of the petitioner had made a complaint to the police concerning an ancestral property in which the petitioner, brother and father resided, and it was sold to the accused. And the wife of the petitioner, who filed a case on behalf of the minor children for equal share of the ancestral property, gave rise to enmity between the family of the petitioner and accused. So, the accused, along with others, forged signature of the petitioner and members of his family to sell it, and the person who bought had filed a case for specific performance using the forged documents. Petitioner too filed a written statement, and so the accused intimated the wife of the petitioner in a criminal manner so as to make her withdraw the suit with a threat that the land would be snatched, while the revision petitioner made a complaint with police. An FIR was not registered nor any investigation done. Thus, the petitioner had filed a criminal petition in court. The Supreme Court upheld the order by the Madras High Court, where it was observed that when the petitioner victim, being a person interested in the complaint, is not put on notice of the final report filed in this case, this court would view the matter, placing itself at the stage when the final report was filed before the magistrate. What follows would be that at such stage, the petitioner has a right to file a protest petition.